Okay, so guys, time now for me to answer your questions जो आपने पूछे थे, in our segment Ask TG, and this is one of my personal favorites जहाँ पे, I talk to you directly and try answering your queries, and इस week भी we have some amazing questions. Let's see क्या है वो questions.
Hi Technical Guruji, my question for you is, which is the most safest social media platform according to you?
Okay, I'll answer this short and crisp. Platforms तो बहुत सारे हैं. The level of security at times kind of varies, but it's in your benefit कि जो आपके actions हैं, the way you use या the way you trust these platforms, वहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आप लगा सकते हो. एंड यू नीड टू बी अकाउंटेबल फॉर योर एक्शंस, कीपिंग योर पासवर्ड सिक्योर, मेकिंग श्योर दैट आप जैसे भी किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म को ऐप को यूज कर रहे हो, आप अपनी तरफ से kind of you putting in a full doubt that let's say this app or platform is not at all secure, तब आप उसको कैसे यूज करोगे. If you start using it that way, I think that would ensure that your data is protected because you need to act from your end to begin with.
Hello Technical Guruji, Harshita Mishra this side. My question to you is, do modern appliances like TV and computer draw power even after turning them off? And do we need to unplug them after each use?
Rarely, to be honest, because the power draw is minimal, like very, very, very minimal draw of power. You talk about modern TVs, modern speakers, the modern chargers that we have. अगर आप use नहीं कर रहे हो, if you are not actively using these devices and they are just they're plugged in and that's it, the power draw is like negligible. तो आप बार बार अगर इस hassle को झेल सकते हैं कि आप उनको बार बार plug unplug करें, तो it's completely up to you. But normal case में power draw बहुत कम है, which is like almost as good as zero.
What are the must-have gadgets for remote work or online learning?
Okay, so to begin with, you'd want to have a good laptop or a good tablet because आपको एक बड़ा screen चाहिए होगा to do some remote work and learning, let's say. At the same time, you'd want to have a nice setup for a video. Could be an included, webcam जो आपके laptop में है या फिर जो आपके laptop के अलावा tab में let's say आपका selfie camera है. But if you want to have a professional, video quality, तो आपके पास में एक dedicated camera भी होना चाहिए as a webcam. At the same time, you want to have a nice pair of headphones जहाँ पे आपको आवाज़ भी अच्छे से आ रही है and the mic is good enough ताकि आपकी आवाज़ भी सामने you are able to transmit nicely. At the same time, you'd want to have a clean environment जहाँ पे you're getting this space to do remote working or online learning, and the core of it, you'd want to have a stable internet connection.
Hello Technical Guruji, my name is Divya. I wanted to ask that how does noise cancellation headphones work and which one according to you gives the best sound quality?
See, the simple concept about noise cancellation. अब around you, let's say आपने एक headphone पहना है and उसमें you are playing your music, तो आप अपना गाना सुन रहे हैं. But if around you there's like different disturbances कि अगर आप let's say एक flight में हैं तो वहाँ पे जो constant engine की आवाज़ है जो एक चलता है. So the thing is that there are microphones on the outside of these headphones या earphones जो कि kind of they pick up the outside noise and they process that noise in a way that it gets cancelled because they know the pattern, and inside the inner speakers they play a complete opposite of what's on the outside. So technically it gets cancelled and आपको जो अंदर आवाज़ मिलती है it's completely free of any noise. Now, the way these headphones and earphones work, they are most suitable for a constant kind of low end frequency वाली noise को eliminate करने के लिए. At times they would not be able to filter out the noise of people talking या some random kid who's screaming. वो filter करना is very मुश्किल because the way kind of the sound waves are very dynamic in nature, it becomes difficult for these earphones to filter that out. Speaking of the best, you can have a look at let's say the Apple's AirPods. They are very good. Sony's the XM5s, they are very good. Bose is doing a good job. So I mean, different brands, different products, different price ranges, depending on what exactly do you need, you can make your pick.